Hello there, ecom experts team. Andrew brought up something that I think is useful for the whole team to see. So his point was, let's make sure we're not reaching out to customers in our outreach, which is a great one. So let's just talk about how we can do that, right? So our distinguishing kind of factor is account type within HubSpot. But how do we make it so that no people that are customers can ever be added to any sequences, not just this one? So let's go over to plays, which is the automation piece of Apollo. We're going to go to a new play. We are going to start from scratch. Okay, so this is going to be a triggered play, meaning that it's based on the event of somebody trying to add a customer into a outbound sequence. Okay, so the trigger will be contact added to sequence, correct? And the sequence is going to be in any sequence. Okay, we want to run this every single time that it happens, and that is our when. Our if is going to be based on the company info. Excuse me, sorry. Where are we here? Okay. Include, exclude a list of companies. We don't really want to do that. We want to do how about owner, no, account, stage. Sorry, that they're doing this a good little bit today. Okay, so we are going to exclude from all sequences customers. We're also going to exclude opportunities, but not quite yet because I have to look into that and see how that switching mechanism happens, right? From opportunity to back into a lead account. Okay, so we'll do customer. Churned, I'll reach out to Andrew and ask. Blacklist, we probably shouldn't be adding the blacklist companies. Closed one-time job, I think we'll exclude, but I'm going to reach out. Anyway, the point here isn't about nailing this 1,000%, which I'm going to do in a minute. But point here is, let's save filters right now. We have customers and blacklists that can never be added to the sequence, right? But we don't have that yet. We have the then. We want to dismiss contact from sequence, remove contact from sequences, and remove contact from all sequences. Okay, cool, very good. And that's that. Okay, thanks everybody. Oops, sorry, play name. Good. Thank you.